Everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we're going to be opening up our Boxycharm I'm pretty sure this is the premium box. Okay, Boxycharm premium box, okay, for the month of March. This is a Luxe month, so it's either one or the other, but let's go ahead and jump right in. And as we open, I would just like to remind you that if you are not familiar with, yes, it is the premium box. It's blue inside. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm, I will leave all of the information down below so that you can check it out. Decide if this is something that you would like to try, and if so, there is a link down below as well as all of the prices for each and every box, all 3 tiers. Now, the first item that we pull out is our description card, and the description for the month of March is lucky. I'm gathering that would have something to do with St. Patrick's Day, which is C1's birthday, by the way. Happy birthday, daughter. Okay, so let's just jump right in, see what's here. All right, and the very first item that we have is by the company Kypers. All right, and this is the Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer plus Shimmer Palette Set. Okay, that's interesting. Our description card says, this pairing packs technology forward, skincare first illuminating and shimmer. The Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the Shimmer Palette offers active, buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for Boxycharm and is not for resale. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price, $145. It's got to be some gold dust in here somewhere. Let's just open it up and check and see just how much gold dust is included. OMG. Okay, there is a palette. Oh, the palette does have a mirror, and it has some gold in it, but I doubt very seriously it's gold dust. But this is what the palette itself looks like. Okay. And before we swatch, let's just take a look at the second part. Ooh, okay. Let's shake it up, because it looks a little watery. Well, nothing really budged, but let's see. All right, let's just put a little bit of the primer on our hand. Okay, and we're gonna kind of put it on a little bit. And the reason that I wanted to do this is because if we're going to apply the shadow, we're going to put a primer on, right? So we want to see just what it looks like with the primer. So I put the primer on, and then we're going to swatch, okay? Now, it's 5 shades, so let's just go ahead and swatch them all. Okay, one of them kind of looked like it was swatched. I don't believe that it was. I think it was probably just the shimmer particles that's in it. All right, here it's 4 of them, and then we'll go back in and do the last one. Oh yeah, see, primer makes a difference. Okay, and the last one, I'm gonna move my bracelet down, and wow. Okay, so here are the shades. I think the primer definitely made a difference. This shade on the bottom is called Starlight. Then this one on the top is Diamond Fire, Sun Glitter, Gold Aura, and then this skin shade one is called Shadow Alchemy. So what do you think about that? Not bad, right? Okay, so that's item number 1. I can't still say I'm okay with $145, but the shimmer definitely did show up. So then item number 2 is by Too Faced Cosmetics, and it is the Hangover Primer. This revolutionary makeup primer is infused with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers that work together to boost skin's radiance, promote elasticity, and help hydrate while locking down makeup for fresher, longer, more flawless wear. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $35, and this is a 1.35 fluid ounce size. Now this says it is silicone free. Now I want to open this because I love, love, love the packaging on Too Faced products. I just wanted to see, but it does look exactly the same as the box. Okay, wow. All right, and this says it's proactive and nourishing. We love your skin even when you don't, is what this packaging says. Okay, well, there is no safety seal on it, but I tell you what, we'll be taking a look into that as well when we do our creating. What is the shelf life on this one? Oh, wow. It's only 6 months. So if I open this one, we'll be using it for a little while. Okay. Alrighty. And then the next item we have is by Rowan Beauty. And that is this product right here. And it says, Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. A non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. This liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils, okay, to hydrate and protect. It provides the high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $26, and this is a 0.10 fluid ounce size. Now, according to this packaging, the shade I received is called Charlie. Hopefully you can see that okay. Now, as we take this out, this says it is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. And this is beautiful. Look at that shade. Oh, I love this packaging. Clear top? Yes. Alrighty, let's do this right here. We're going to swatch the gloss right across the bottom. Okay, and that's our shade. which is nice. I like it when it's like, oh, the smell. What is going on? I'm trying to decide if it smells minty or medicine-y. Okay, I guess it's a little bit of both. All right, the next item that I have is the by Beauty Diva London, and this too is a eye brush set, and it says perfect your eye looks with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner, and it is $48. Really? It's 4 brushes in here. Oh, I am so keeping these. I do not own anything that looks like that. Oh, I am so keeping these brushes. Wow, beautiful. It says, perfect your eyes with a cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and liner. The packaging on this is really cute. Here's the box and here are the brushes. Oh, really nice. Okay, I won't take them out just yet. When we get ready to do our create, we'll pull them all out. Now, I was hoping that it would tell us what the brushes were for, but it does not. It just has the name of the brush company on it. These are kind of cute. I like them because I do not have anything like this at all. So, very nice. Alrighty. Then, the next item that we have is an instant spray hair mask. I had to wipe off the lip gloss. That medicine-y smell is still there, but I just didn't want to take any chances of getting it on my shirt, okay? And it says this high-powered in-shower treatment performs like a traditional hair mask, but works in under a minute. A multitasking mix of moisturizers, including almond oil, capuchu butter, deep condition, repair, and strengthen hair, while apple cider vinegar adds dramatic shine. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $32. Now, I'm going to tell y'all right off the bat, I'm not opening this because y'all know what my favorite box is, and it's a hair care box. And so I'm not certain this would necessarily work for me. It is a 4-ounce size, and it says vegan, cruelty, and gluten-free, UV protectant, petroleum and mineral oil free, paraben and sulfate free. Okay, so that is this item, but I won't be opening this one. It may very well be in a giveaway, or I will pass it on to someone that I know. Okay, so the very last item that we have is one that I already have, so this one will be going in a giveaway as well, and this is the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. And it says this eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes with its own mirrored compact, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. Now, the shade that I received is called Reflection. Give me a second and I'll get mine so I can show you the shade. Okay, so I'm going to show you the one that I have, which is this right here. Okay, this is my shade. So I'm trying to cover the mirror. All right, so since I already have this, I'm going to put it in a giveaway. Okay, So, very nice though. Very excited for someone else to get it, okay? So, very interesting. I thank you for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened up our Boxycharm Premium Box. These are the items that are included in this month's Boxycharm Premium Box. I don't know how much longer I want to keep this, but let's see. And down below, the manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the enclosed items. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.